Hello there crypto enthusiasts, I'm Akamoto and today I will show you one of the best airdrop mini tutorial, which is Hexen.io airdrop. I will explain where and how to start it and earn Hexen coins from it. In Telegram application we need to search Hexen.io channel, where we must tap on join button. After that we must tap on right upside corner button farm HP, then tap on launch and voila! Now you are in airdrop game of Hexen.io. Here we are tapping on start farming in every 8 hours. There are boosters which makes our farming more faster, and we have various tasks which we must claim for more tokens. The tasks are like join or subscribe for some channel or social medias. There are leaderboard and wallet pages where you must connect your crypto wallet for claim airdrop, and that's all. For easy way to open Hexen.io airdrop game, see the referral link below this video. When it will be listed, there are not any official information, but with my opinion we have 1 or 2 months for farming it before listing. After listing we will get Hexen.io tokens and we will have opportunity to change it on a real money or to other crypto coins. That's all guys, if you like this video please subscribe my new crypto channel and don't forget to watch my last videos, where I'm talking about newest crypto airdrops, market trends and other news. Thanks for watching, bye!